What's up you guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. Before I say absolutely anything else in this video, I want to put it out there right now that 100% of the AdSense revenue that is generated from this video is going to be donated to the ACLU, or the American Civil Liberties Union. If you're unaware of what the ACLU is, I feel like most people probably know what the ACLU is, but in case you aren't from America or you aren't familiar, I'm reading this directly from their website. The ACLU works in the courts, legislatures, and communities to defend and preserve the individual rights and liberties guaranteed to all people in this country by the Constitution and laws of the United States, basically making sure the justice is served for everybody in this country. They are a huge entity, I guess, especially when dealing with racial injustice and the Black Lives Matter movement. They're a huge player in this, so all of the revenue that is generated from AdSense from this video is going to be donated to them. If you've been on social media at all in the past week, you've probably seen the blacklivesmatters.card.co link going around. It's basically a mass list of so many different resources of places that you can donate, petitions you can sign, officials that you can contact. So I'm gonna have that link down below. There's a whole section for donations, and literally you can donate to so many different GoFundMes. So before I get into this video, I wanted to just say this. Unless you've been living under a rock for the past 2 weeks, which I don't think any of you have been, because you obviously are all watching this video, so you all have some type of internet access, you would know what is going on in this country and what is going on in the world, really, at this point. The issue of racism in this country, I'm just going to probably focus mainly on America because that is where I live, and also I have learned the most about America specifically. It's deep-rooted, it is systemic, and it's absolutely unacceptable in every way possible. The injustice that goes on in this country, God, in the government, in the justice system. We have a justice system that is unjust, to put it quite frankly. Obviously, a lot has gone on in this country in the past couple weeks because of the absolutely brutal and unjust murder of George Floyd in Minneapolis. And I truly believe that if there's going to be a generation that is going to seriously demand justice, it's going to be our generation. We have voices, we have platforms, and we aren't afraid to use them. We aren't afraid to speak up about what is not right and demand that these wrongs be righted. As I'm going back through and editing this, I realized that I said Black Lives Matter a bunch of times, but in relation to the movement and the hashtags and stuff. But I wanted to make it extremely clear and say it like this right now. Black lives fucking matter. And anybody that says all lives matter, let me just put it to you this way. I saw a video on Twitter that was going around of this woman on TikTok. I don't remember her username off the top of my head, but she says in her video, don't be mad that you don't have a movement, be happy that you don't need one. This isn't controversial. This isn't a political thing that you don't want to get into on Twitter. This is a human being issue. We are all human beings, and it is our duty as human beings to stand up alongside other human beings and fight for them, fight with them. In the description of this video, I'm gonna have links to places that you can donate to the Black Lives Matter movement, how you can support. I actually just put a list of links together that I'm gonna use in the description of this video. So if I'm looking this way, I'm looking at my computer so I can read some of them. But I'm putting like the card.co, huge, massive list of resources and links and petitions. That's gonna be in the description. I actually made a post on YouTube. If you go to my channel and you click on the community tab, you will see it. It's the one that starts with the hashtag Black Lives Matter in all caps. If you click read more, I posted a lot of kind of resources and just ways that you can support, places to donate. I put some links, recommended some books, some movies, podcasts. So there's a huge list of information there that I put together. So if you want to check that out as well, that is on the community tab of my channel. I also linked down below in this video some YouTube videos that have been created, have been popping up in the past few days. It's genuinely a genius idea. I think that the first person that I saw do this video, and the one that kind of like blew up the whole idea, her name is Zoe Amira, and her video will be linked down below. Basically, you just have to watch the video, watch all the ads, and all of the AdSense money that is generated from that video will be donated to Black Lives Matter, to some of the different fundraisers. So I think that that's amazing. And then since that video, there have been a bunch of others popping up as well that are kind of the same thing. So if you don't have any money to actually donate, but you still want to make a difference, you can literally just go and stream those videos and contribute to the AdSense revenue being earned, and you're making a donation, and it's super, super easy. On my social media recently, Instagram, Twitter, and including my post on YouTube with all the resources that I listed, I have been trying to use my platform as efficiently as possible to get out resources and to spread information and to educate myself and to maybe help others educate themselves on Black Lives Matter and racism in general, white privilege in general, and what white people can do to educate themselves, to be a better ally. I've been sharing a lot of that information general to the Black Lives Matter movement, but I also think that it's really important to support individuals, recognize individuals, and elevate their voices and elevate their content. That's pretty much what I want to do in this video. I want to show you guys, it's kind of like a little haul, honestly. I haven't gotten any of the things yet. I don't have any of them physically with me because I just ordered. I haven't even said what I'm doing. In this video, I wanted to show you guys some things that I bought recently from Black-owned Etsy shops. I'm so freaking excited to show you guys this stuff. One, because it's amazing. I think that this is really important, and I want to share these shops with you guys and also encourage you to check them out, but also check out other Black-owned Etsy shops or small businesses in your area or Instagram shops or whatever. Oh, I think that's another thing I have linked. Yeah, I put some more links for where you can find more Black-owned businesses to support. I wanted to go on to Etsy, and I've been really obsessed with Etsy lately. Pretty much just find shops that were Black owned and support them. I ended up finding some of the coolest stuff. Literally, this stuff is perfect for you if you want to buy something for yourself, to give as a gift. Literally bookmark these pages, find Black owned Etsy shops, find Black owned small businesses, bookmark them, and refer back to them whenever you need to buy a gift for somebody or if you want to buy something for yourself. This stuff I'm about to show you guys, I'm so excited. I am going to be looking at my computer because I have pictures of everything on there. Kind of gonna be like a shop with me, but I already bought all of this stuff. I'm pretty much just gonna be showing you what I got and showing you guys these shops. I think I bought from 5 different shops and I'm obsessed with every single one of them. I'm gonna have links down below for where you can access all of the shops, and I'm also gonna have links to the specific items that I purchased from them. And again, I just really want to encourage you to support the Black Lives Matter movement in any way that you can. The movement as a whole and individuals, and recognize them and put the spotlight on them because they deserve it. I think I'll begin with the first thing I bought. I'll go in order, obviously. So the first shop that I bought from is called Architect, R-K-I-T-E-K-T, Architect, based in Atlanta, Georgia. I ended up buying this. This is the leather envelope wallet. I think it's pronounced Surrey. I'm god awful at pronouncing names of things, so I'm very, very sorry if anything that I say, any names or whatever that I say are not correct. I am trying. I am so sorry. But I purchased this little, it's kind of like a coin purse almost, but it's, oh my god, like when I saw this, I fell in love with it. I love the patterns. I love how unique it is. It says no two wallets are alike. It's leather, the craftsmanship. Oh my god, the colors, I'm really excited about it. I think I really enjoyed this pattern and these color combinations because I picked up this leather tassel key fob in the same design, I guess it would be, Surrey, and okay, give me 1 second. This is so freaking cool. I just think it's amazing. It's so unique, it's creative, it's fun. I can't wait to receive this. So that is what I ended up buying from there. If you literally just scroll through this shop's page, the aesthetics are insane. I love absolutely everything. The patterns, the designs, oh my gosh. I also really like to read the shop owner bio sections. So the owner of this shop, her name is Kel, and she is from Atlanta, Georgia. Some of Kel's other passions: traveling, thrift and antique shopping. Kel, yes. International music, photography, language studies, creating inspiration boards. Kel gets it. I love this girl. I love Kel. But most importantly, spending time with her husband, Darrell, and children, Chloe and Levi. That is so heartwarming. In this picture, her outfit, oh, the whole thing is Kel. So that is the first shop that I bought from and the things that I bought. Could not recommend more. Please check her out. Next, we have a shop called The Pink Locket. The item that I bought from here was this. It is called the Confident Women Jewelry Dish. I was so drawn to this for so many different reasons, okay? Number one, let's dissect this for a second. Number one, whatever that like metallic color is around the rim of the dish, I'm in love with it. The black and white clay, I love it. I just love it. And then, dude, okay, so you know those little like letter beads that you put on like the bracelets with the, you know what I mean? It looks like she used those to imprint like a quote, and I just think that is genius. I love it. I just think that the way that she used it had to have been those letter beads, because that's like what it looks like, and use them to imprint quotes. I think that's genius. It's so creative. I love everything about it. It's incredible. So that is what I ended up getting. I got the one that says, "Today I will slay." So inspirational. Scrolling through her shop, there is tons of jewelry. I love finding jewelry on Etsy. It's so unique. I love handmade stuff. If you guys know me, you know that I am such a sucker for handmade stuff. So many dainty pieces, and you know that I love dainty jewelry. And it's not just like the cookie cutter stuff that you can go to Target and get. No. This is handmade, and you know that your money is going towards a person, and you can see that person. You can put a face to the name. Let's look at Camilla's About Me. Camilla is from Atlanta, Georgia. She said, I would define the pink locket style of jewelry as modern minimalist jewelry. Even though it's minimalistic in nature, the jewelry pieces still make a statement when worn. I love it. You know what my favorite part of this was? Oh, she has her MBA too. Go off, queen. Okay, so my favorite part of this whole bio, I read these before I started filming, and this really tickled me. I loved this part. It says, the Pink Locket's handmade jewelry is created with love and with that woman in mind. Who's that woman? She knows what she wants. She loves simplicity and complexity at times. She's a career woman. She's a mom. She's a sister, daughter, wife. She walks into a room and has demanded attention without even realizing it. Her beauty is effortless and she exudes confidence. She's you. That, my friends, I had to read that quote because that like inspired me. Nothing but respect for you. And I cannot wait to receive my jewelry dish. It's beautiful, as is everything else in your shop. Next, we have the Heart Department Co. Upon first glance of this shop, the aesthetics, a clean, natural look. You know what I mean? And this shop, just looking at it, is that it's clean, it's natural, but it's inviting. It's like you want to check things out. I bought this is the square wooden clipboard, picture frame, memo board, clipboard for art, photo clipboard, removable stand. Okay, I got the one with the brass hardware. The clipboard part, it can either be black or brass. I really like that on a lot of these shops there are options for stuff like that you can choose what color to like customize, and I just really like that. So it's literally just this little wooden square with a clipboard thing on it that you can put literally anything under there, and I got the one with like the little peg on the back so that it can stand on like a table. I think I want to put it on this desk. I love how simple it is, but it's a natural type of look because it's wooden. It's really cute, and it's gonna look really cute on my desk. So I also ordered this. This is the round memo board. You can pick your size and you can also personalize. So there's a personalization section on this one. So if you see, it's like a two-tone thing, so the top part of it, and this one is white, and I actually ended up going with the white one, but you can get that painted whatever color. There's a bunch of color options, so you can read the description of this post and choose which color you want that to be and write it in the personalization section. I just wanted white because I thought that that would look really good. It has like this leather strap that you can hang it from, so there's like different textures going on here. There's different materials. I'm really here for it. It has the same clipboard thing that the other one did, and I don't know what it is about the clipboard thing, but I just think that that's really cool. So let's read the shop owner bio. This woman's name is Tanali. I love her little profile picture. It's really cute. She is from Northern Kentucky. She is a wife, mom, and the artist behind the Heart Department. She was born and raised in Jamaica, and she moved to the United States at 16. After she finished high school in New York City, she enlisted in the United States Army and served 7 years. Nothing but respect for you, Tanali. Are you kidding me? My husband James and I met while stationed together in Korea. Although I love all things creative, I love to immerse myself in photography and in making the products that you see here in my shop. I would so love to make you something, so stay a while, see if you can find something that will make you or someone else smile. I don't know why that's so adorable to me. This is you are everything. I just want to say thank you to Tanali for creating such a beautiful shop and beautiful pieces, and I'm very excited to receive them. Next, this is the 4th shop out of 5 that I purchased from. This one is called Aquarian Thoughts. Delicate jewelry for everyday wear. Like I said, simple, dainty jewelry. That's it. I see someone with dainty jewelry, I'm there. And that is what this is. And oh my God, the things that I bought from here, I will cry. I cannot wait to receive. I also think I want to buy this birthstone stacking ring that they have. But if you scroll through her page, so much dainty jewelry. It is incredible. Like, I really felt like I was in heaven while scrolling through this. I picked up 2 rings, and I am a sucker for rings. The first one I got is this heart. It's called the Hammered Heart Ring. I got it in gold. I just love, first of all, how dainty it is, obviously, because I love dainty jewelry, and also the texture. It's called the Hammered Heart Ring, so I'm assuming that this was made by like somehow hammering this material. I don't know, but the texture, the effect that it gives, I really like, and I don't think that I have anything like that, so I am so excited to receive that. And then the other item that I bought is another ring, and I got this snake. Are we seeing this? Gucci? Who? This is called the Hammered Serpent Ring. Oh my God, like when I saw this, I was just like, I love this. I actually ended up getting it in silver. There is not a silver picture on here to show you guys like what it would look like in silver, but just imagine the same thing you're seeing here in gold, but in silver. This is sick. I have been looking for like a snake ring, and then I came across this and I was like, it's like it was meant to be. Let's read the bio here. So this woman's name is Nadira. Hello. She is from Newark, New Jersey. Hello. I am from Pennsylvania. We're neighbors. She has been designing and creating jewelry since 1999. I was born in 1999. Over the course of these years, I have developed my skills from very basic beading to metal forging and stone setting. I love being creative. You know what? I love being creative too, Nadira. We have so much in common. And I also love how passionate you are. That's what I love about Etsy and about these shops, is that it's so clear that these people are passionate about what they're creating, and it's amazing. I love somebody with a passion. I love your passion, Nadira. I love how you have evolved your skill set over the years. Isn't that the best? It's the best when you are passionate about something and you start with like a very basic skill set, but just because you really are excited to get started, and then over the years you learn and you grow and you develop your craft. I am inspired by you. Thank you for sharing these items. You're probably not watching this video, but thank you for sharing these items. Thank you for sharing your passion and your creativity with the world. We need more of this. You are great. You are amazing. Keep going and keep doing your thing because you're amazing. So that brings us to our final shop. You guys are gonna see this and be like, serious, like we were waiting for this the whole time. Like we really expected this one. Naturally, I picked up some candles and think that I found my new favorite candle shop in the process. So let me show you. This shop is called Wicks Nola, luxury candle company, vegan-centered, New Orleans inspired. The first thing that I got is this candle. It is the Wicks Nola 11-ounce glass repurposed jar coconut soy wax candle. You can obviously pick your scent. There's a drop down, and there's literally, I'm pretty sure that somewhere on this it says there's over 50 scents. The options, oh come on, there's something for everybody here, and I love that. And then you can pick a color for your container. So there's black and there's white. Onyx and oyster are the terms that are used. First of all, I ordered the white one, which I guess would be oyster. The like label of the candle is gold. I just thought that that combination was so beautiful. The black jar though, so sleek, so professional, so elegant. They're both beautiful nonetheless. Let's for 1 minute talk about the packaging. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. It's elegant. I think it truly embodies this company. It makes me feel, it gives me New Orleans vibes. I've never even been there, but like just from watching the originals, it gives me those vibes. That is branding right there. Tiffany, she is the shop owner. Tiffany, if you're watching this video, which I don't know if you probably aren't, but you're doing a really good job overall, and especially with your branding. Very, very good. So there are over 50 different scents, and the names of them are so unique and creative, and they're all related to New Orleans, and I just really love that. Another part of the branding that is just so A1. Just give you a couple examples of some names. We have Bourbon Creme Brulee, Down the Bayou, Crescent City Farmers Market, Southern Comfort, Treme, Voodoo Spell. Like, I just think that they're so creative and fun and well thought out. So for this candle, I actually got one that's called a Melanin. It is Tonka whipped cocoa butter and coconut milk. I actually ended up also purchasing the MSY Travel Tin scented candle, soy candle. It's basically like a mini candle in a really cute little tin. So I picked up one of those. These ones were $10. And then for this scent, I decided to go with Sleepless in Nola. It is lavender blossom of vanilla and sugared musk. So I'm really, really excited to smell that one as well. The packaging of these as well, stunning. I love the calligraphy font on there. I am obsessed. Tiffany does not have a bio, but I love her nonetheless. She's a branding expert. Her shop is beautiful. I love how thought out it is. You can really tell how passionate she is and how much effort she puts in, and I just really love that. But that was the last item that I had purchased. I had so much fun doing this. Even though I don't physically have the products with me, like I just had a really fun time scrolling through these shops and talking about them and talking about the products. Supporting Black-owned small businesses is really important, I think. And that is really what I wanted to do in this, and I wanted to just share with you guys some really, really cool stuff that I found and encourage you guys to check it out as well. So many different articles at this point that have linked so many shops. I have some linked in the description as I mentioned earlier. So I really encourage you to do that and keep supporting Black Lives Matter even when it's not trending on Twitter anymore. Keep that same energy. Don't let up and don't take your foot off the gas. Keep using your voice. So that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. I hope you guys liked it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for just being incredible people, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.